We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous 1970 Ford Tornio Cobra 429 Super Cobra Jet drag pack car. Factory 391 traction-Lok rear end, 391 gears, factory transmission cooler, one of 1,475 produced, ultra rare car, Calypso Coral, and can't ask for a better muscle car. Magnum 500s, power disc brakes, power steering, just a super cool car. All the chrome trim bright work is very nice on the car. Car was restored a while ago. It does have a partial build sheet, window sticker, Marti report, some other literature with the car. But very cool car. There's a little chip right there, which we will touch up. Couple teeny chips on this matte black hood. Overall shows extremely well. They've been touched up. Bright day. There was another little chip right there. One more there and one more there. We will touch those up. Those are tiny rock chips. Just got the car in, so we're pointing out. There's couple little ones there. I mean, it's a nice car, but just all cars have imperfections, so we're trying to show you the few minor ones that we found with this one. Dash is in good shape. Looks like somebody at one time had a dash mounted tach. Strip rails. All the chrome trim bright work. This appears to be original. There is some minor wear, but it's still showing extremely well. All the rubber seals, door panels are nice on it. Jams are nice. Speakers in the back. Just a cool car. Package tray. A little chip right there and one teeny one right there. Again, we'll touch that up. Teeny one there and a teeny one there. I'm just pointing out these are some tiny little chips, just making you aware of what's on the car. Interior is very nice. The jams are nice. The doors are nice. We'll take this for a ride. Yep. Looks like one of our hood latches is wanting to pop up. Have to get that one adjusted. pictures will be at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. Have 75 to 100 pictures. Please like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. If you'd like to come in and look at this Cobra in person, we'll be more than happy to pick you up from the airport. Just forward us our itinerary. St. Louis International, Lambert International are one and the same. Strong running car. Super Cobra Jet Drag Pack car. Ultra rare, one of 1,475 made. Fun muscle car by Ford. Call 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark. We're more than happy to answer any questions you got. Again, you'll find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Calypso Coral, factory J code, Super Cobra Jet. Very rare car, highly desirable. Getting harder and harder to find in this condition. Factory 391 gears with factory transmission core. Again, 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark, westportautocenter.com. Thanks for watching.